with these problems right here, I'm trying to use my estimation and mental math skills to be able to figure out if they are true or false. So with this problem right here, I'm going to first start on this expression. And I know that 1,280 divided by 10 just moves the place value one place over to make the number smaller. So that I know that this expression is going to be equal to 128. With 32 times 4, I'm going to do a double-double. So 32 times 2 gives me 64. And 64 times 2 will give me 128. So I can see that both sides are equal to 128. So this problem is in fact true. If I look at letter B, I'm going to go ahead and use an estimation strategy with this. So here I see 38. So this is kind of close to 3,600. And I see that we're dividing by 3. So if I take 36 divided by 3, I get 12. And then I would still have my 2 zeros that I would add on. So I know that this side is about 1,200. Not the correct answer, but it's near that. And then if I look at this side over here, this is close to 30. And this right here, I can think, okay, what is 340 times 30? So 34 times 3, 34 plus 34 will give us 68, plus another 34 will give us 102. And then I have 2 zeros. So I can see that this one's going to be in the 10,000s, where this one's only in the 1,000s. I'm going to say that that one is false. They're not going to be close to the same answer. With this one right here, 58 times 99, I'm going to think of 58 times 100, which would be 58 and 2 zeros. And then I can subtract one group of 58 because they only wanted 99 groups. So if I take away one group of 58, then I can go ahead and subtract those. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 7 minus something 7, and then 5 minus that is 5,742. So I see that that's not close to the 4,000, so I know that's false. And actually thinking back on it before, I should have known it was false right when I did that, because if I only subtract 58, it's not going to get me down to the 4,897. Looking at this part right here, I see here I have 25. I remember that 25 is like the 1/4 of a value when we did those problem strings. So I'm going to find a fourth of 48. And I see that a fourth of 48 is 48 divided by 4, which is going to be 12. So a fourth of 480 is going to be 120. And then if I have the 120 and I then add the 2 zeros on, then I know that it's going to be true, that these are actually going to be equal to each other. Because 1/4 was the 2500ths times it, and then we learned that we needed to times it by 100 to get it what it would be times 25.